Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can apply mobile phone camera lens protector 3D version to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other version. Process will be the same. So here I have 17 Pro Max. You can see my camera module. Best way, you have to put this one on your cover. Best to use cover iPhone 17 because it's aluminum. You can scratch it very easily. Clean it thoroughly. Here at the back side, clean it all. Fine, it looks lovely. Here we go. You can see how it is. And here is this one 3D. Simple. Take this off. Lovely as this. South. Should be exactly at the place. You see how I'm doing, and you can use some cotton over there. Lovely lens protection. You can see here how it is. Slowly you see inside how it's taking all. Want to process a little bit more faster, you can press little bit. You can see how slowly is going. So this is the way you can apply lens cover to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.